Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. May the peace, love of God, love each other in unity be with us all. God bless everyone. Happy Monday. Very hot already. The sun is so hot. It's only 7:30 a.m. It will burning your skin. But I need to have sunlight for a while, 5 to 10 minutes only. To have vitamin D. To help boost immune system so that I can be strong and healthy. It's not easy to get sick. Hi guys. I show you my plant guys. I hope it will grow healthy because last time when I get this in Noah's house, all the leaves is yellow. Now became green and there is a little red coming out. I hope it will grow healthy and strong and fat. It will grow tall and have a red leaves. I'll just put it here for a while, but I need to put this back inside because it will burning with the sun. That's all guys. Bye. See you later or tomorrow. Happy Monday everyone.